Okay, I'm going to show you a new tools and uses video. This tool here is a modern hose clamp remover, and it's designed to be flexible and get into all those hard to get places, like down here in the engine compartment, and I'll show you how it works. Got this part right here, and you put it on the hose clamp, like so. You put it on the hose clamp, squeeze these guys here, and you just squeeze that hose clamp off. Then you just pull it. Well, I might have to make some more adjustments because it needs to go a little bit more. There we go. And that's how it works. So we're going to separate that hose there. This hose clamp tool kind of works like so. Here's the arms, and the arms squeeze. The little pliers handle that grips on the clamp and squeezes it like so, and this releases it. So that's the easiest way to remove one of those difficult pinch type hose clamps without cussing at it, trying to get some damn vice grips in there, especially when they're way down there and you can't reach them, like a lot of them are nowadays.